is a 2020 Ford Fusion titanium. Fully loaded model. Water damaged vehicle. The water level so low in this car, we decided to build it. Starts right up. Really nice car, very clean, very low miles. Let's take a look under the hood. Take a look inside. Really nice. Water level is below the seat. You can see here, it's below the seat bottoms. That's why we decided to build it. We're gonna remove the interior, dry it out, make sure there's no moisture inside, clean it up, sanitize it, make sure everything works, put it on scanners, make sure everything is functioning 100%. We'll post it on the website once it's ready. Thanks for watching.